Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Knox Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pot out of newspaper. These are really fun and simple to make. They're really good for sowing your seed, because once your seed has germinated in the pot, you can then, and you've got a nice little seedling, you can then literally put the whole pot into the garden. It's also a great way of getting rid of your old newspapers. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we start with our sheet of newspaper. It doesn't matter what size the newspaper is, but whatever it is, the length needs to be double the size of the width. Okay, so we fold it in half. We fold it in half again. And again, just to get our folds. Okay, open it up. And have the open side towards you. So it's like we're going to make a paper plane. So we fold these in. Then we get one of these sheets, fold it up to here, and then over the triangles. Turn it over and fold the sides in to the centre fold. Okay, so now we fold up to here and again. And this bit's a little bit tricky because we need to undo it and tuck this in to here. And we have to get behind these triangles. So just grab it, shove her in. You can straighten it up when you've got it in. Nice and neat. Turn it over, and the last step is to get this corner folded over to here and make a crease here and here. Don't worry about this part, it's this crease that we need to make, because then when we put our hand in, that crease forms the bottom of the box. And there you have it. Okay, so that's all there is to it. I hope you have heaps of fun making your pots and you produce lots of healthy seedlings this spring. Good luck.